but it shows them off just enough so that I can bring them out and show everyone who's watching. Hey guys, welcome to the video. If you are looking for products to complement your active lifestyle, you've come to the right place. Now keep in mind, these products are not necessarily going to be a bargain. They're super cheap. I'm looking to save you money. These are more things that I've found have saved me time or made my life easier. And along with that might come a little bit of financial investment. This is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored by any particular brand. So whilst this is biased towards what I like and what I would recommend, this is an unbiased video that has no brand influence telling me what to say here. Let's dive into the list with number one, Athletic Greens. Athletic Greens is a greens supplement, and what really sold me on this product was number one, the quality, but number two, the way that they marketed this product as nutritional insurance. There's going to be times where you're not getting what you need. You're going to either be traveling, maybe you forgot to pick it up at the grocery store, maybe you've just been heavily leaning in towards red meat and potatoes and no greens. You've just been enjoying that for a bit. Maybe you've had family over, so it's a lot of treats and stuff, and you're not going to get those micronutrients that your body would require. Having something like a quality greens supplement assures that your body gets those micronutrients that it needs to function properly and to have you feeling better. Further to that, the actual greens product is quality. It tastes good. I had only good experience with customer service there. It kept me regular. Ooh, TMI! And it also just generally had me feeling better. Just well-being, I felt better. Athletic Greens is $97 for a 30-serve pouch, but there's discounts available if you take up their subscription model. There's also a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if there's any hesitation regarding the price for a green supplement like this, you should have no worries, just at least giving it a go and see how it makes you feel. Second product you have to get is an Aeropress. I love specialty coffee, and I know that a lot of people that live an active lifestyle either enjoy coffee as well or appreciate the caffeine benefits to start their day or to get a workout going. Now, the reason why I would recommend the Aeropress is because it's one, durable, two, affordable, costing about 40 Australian dollars. It is easy to use and easy to clean. I've been using the V60 a lot more recently, but I find if you're not actually into brewing specialty coffee, it's a little bit too delicate of a process. So the Aeropress just ticks all the boxes for someone that wants quality coffee at home without all the faff surrounding it. Product number three is Lululemon clothing. Now, even though I love dressing nice, being and working in the fitness industry, I'm in activewear a lot. I'm actually wearing some of Lululemon's clothing now, the white polo and some shorts. One of the main pieces of clothing I love from Lululemon is the length and the fit of their shorts. They're not so long that they hide my quads and only highlight skinny calves, but they're not so short that they show the quads completely as well as my bollocks. So I can actually show you because I'm wearing the shorts. You can see down here, it doesn't hide them, but it shows them off just enough so that I can bring them out and show everyone who's watching. Lululemon's clothing fits well and it looks good, and they actually sell a bunch of products that you can wear out, like button-up shirts and jackets, but they provide range of motion within the clothing. That area of clothing for people into fitness that still want to look nice but don't want to be restricted by movement. They address that niche as well. Given Lululemon Activewear is a premium activewear brand, you can find similar looking clothing for much, much cheaper. The reasons why I think you would pay more for Lululemon is it feels better, it looks better, and it's going to last a lot longer. The fourth product on this list is Power Beats Pro. I love music. I think music's a performance enhancer for training, but I've always had an issue with cords. I've never quite been happy. Cords get tangled. They're not really practical for things like handstand training. And I've tried cordless ones. I tried these ones by Jabra and they were absolute dog shit. I couldn't even vacuum my house without them falling out of my ear, let alone go for a run or a handstand and trust that they'll stay in. The price tag for the Powerbeats Pro, I think it was 349 Australian dollars at the time, is what put me off getting them, because that's such a large amount to dump on headphones that you're used to getting for about $50. But when I saw, I kept having these issues with them, and then when I saw the ad with Simone Biles wearing them, that's what convinced me that these were the ones for me. The initial reaction to trying them out was great quality sound, it was a secure fit, it was comfortable in my ear, and I've not ever thought, oh, I wish I didn't spend that money on those Beats now. Once you get them, that's one of those things where you realize that you've stopped having any issues with headphones that you've had in the past. The only issue I've heard people say about them is that there's connectivity issues. But when you're talking about something wireless, there's going to be some little issues with it. That's just how it is. And I've not had any issues that are significant enough to be this product sucks. I've had minimal connectivity issues that are easily solved. The only con I can personally think of, and this is very much like Apple iPhones as well, is it's an expensive product and the case that they're in is so smooth. It's easy to slip out of your hands. The fifth and final product on this list is My Muscle Chef, a meal prep service that is obviously local to me, but if you can find a meal prep service that replicates these values, then you won't regret it. So I love cooking, but sometimes I do get over it. Sometimes I don't have any ideas, and sometimes I just don't have the time. Where you would get the value from this service is, yes, their meals are approximately $7 to $10, so that would work out more expensive than if I was to cook for myself. But what you're getting from that is the time saving. Think of how long it takes to prep food, shop for the ingredients, clean up afterwards. With My Muscle Chef, you're getting nutritionally dense meals, a huge variety where I could order 30 meals, all of them different. And when I order again, still have new ones to choose from, and a great taste. When I'm in those times where I'm busy, it's so valuable to be able to just go to the fridge and get something that I know is going to look after my nutrition. And that's the video, guys. If you have any products you think are highly valuable to people that live an active lifestyle, please comment it down below. We just recently hit 30,000 subscribers on this channel, so just wanted to give a shout out and a thank you to each and every one of you subscribers that likes, comments, and shares the videos. It helps so much. And now we're onward to 50,000 as the next goal. If you're looking for something similar to this, check out my functional fitness clothes for men video. Offers some ideas on what to wear to your training session. But that's the video for now, guys, and I'll see you for the next one.